If your tech stack is growing while your daily operations are slacking, this is a video you can't miss. You are likely stuck in a maturity trap. I'm Nathan Johnson from EngagePulse. I have been building automations for 15 years, and this is my take on the current state of marketing operations. By 2026, the MarOps function has been pulled in two directions: a landscape of over 14,000 tools versus dropping enterprise utilization. We are facing a complexity crisis. As the average number of tools per team increases, the ability to actually drive results with them decreases. The average enterprise MarTech utilization rate has dropped to record lows. Most teams are paying for power they never actually use. To navigate this, you need a roadmap. We've developed the 5-stage EngagePulse marketing operations maturity model to help you find your path. A maturity model isn't just about technical skill, it's about turning your operations into a clear strategic advantage for the business. First, we have stage 1, the reactive stage. Most teams start here, and it's a constant state of firefighting and manual work. At this stage, your team is likely manual, undocumented, and perpetually behind the curve. Everything is a rush request from leadership. Ask yourself, is your data siloed across departments? Are campaign requests handled only as they arrive without a central queue? You also see shadow IT, where different departments buy tools without MarOps oversight, creating a disconnected and messy stack. The risk here is massive: operational burnout and zero strategic influence. You are seen as a cost center, not a growth driver. Moving up the ladder, this brings us to stage 2, operational. You've started to move from total chaos to some semblance of process and order. Here, your core tech is integrated, you have basic reporting, and you've established SLAs for campaign execution across the team. Ask yourself, do you have a centralized marketing calendar? Do you track lead to opportunity conversion consistently across all channels? Your campaign execution is now predictable. You have an intake process and a clear timeline for when work gets done. But here's the trap. You're still focused on efficiency over impact. You're doing things right, but are you doing the right things? This brings me to stage 3, structured. This is where true scalability begins to take root and the business starts to feel the difference. In stage 3, you have a centralized center of excellence model, documented data governance, and multi-touch attribution in place. Ask yourself, is your CRM data clean and reliable? Is your attribution automated, or is it still a manual spreadsheet nightmare for your team? Data hygiene is now a priority. You have automated checks to ensure your leads are enriched and correctly routed to sales. The goal here is consistency. You've moved away from individual heroics to a system that works for everyone, every time. Next, we reach stage 4, integrated. This is the holy grail for many enterprise marketing teams, where data truly meets action. You have unified customer profiles and real-time data orchestration. MarOps is now a true strategic partner to sales and product. Ask yourself, does sales get real-time behavior-based alerts? Is your tech stack consolidated to maximize ROI and minimize bloat? Your KPIs are now aligned across the entire revenue funnel. You are measuring what matters most to the C-suite, not just vanity metrics. Data flows seamlessly across the organization, enabling personalized customer journeys at scale. You are now driving the revenue engine. Finally, we arrive at the pinnacle, stage 5, strategic. This is where MarOps becomes a competitive advantage and a leader in company growth. We're talking predictive modeling, autonomous AI operations, and a seat at the table for long-term revenue planning and growth strategy. Ask yourself, does your team use AI for predictive customer insights? Does MarOps have a voice in boardroom decisions and financial planning? In stage 5, AI isn't just a tool, it's an operator. It's optimizing campaign performance and data routing in real time, autonomously. At this stage, you aren't just supporting the business, you are actively shaping the future of how you go to market and win. So, where do you stand? The full model includes 50 self-assessment questions to help you diagnose your current stage accurately. Start with these 3. Does it operate inside governance? Does it fail visibly and recoverably? Is there a reference at scale? Once you know your stage, start your 30-day plan. Focus on identifying quick wins and breaking down one major data silo in your stack. In 60 days, move toward process standardization, document your core workflows, and establish clear SLAs for your internal customers. By 90 days, you should be focused on strategic alignment. Map your operations directly to the company's revenue goals. A common question is, how do I get buy-in for this? The answer is to stop talking about tools and start talking about revenue impact. How long does it take to move stages? Usually, it takes 6 to 18 months of focused work to truly shift your operational maturity. Do you need a specific tool? No. Maturity is about how you use your stack, not just which logos are in it. Process always beats tooling. Whether you are reactive or integrated, the goal is progress, not perfection. Use this model to lead the conversation in your team today. I have spent 15 years in the trenches of marketing automation. I built this model based on what actually works at scale for enterprise teams. Ready to streamline your growth? Visit us at EngagePulse.io and fill out the form below to get your full assessment today. I am Nathan Johnson. Follow for more clear-eyed takes on enterprise MarTech and AI automation. I will see you in the next briefing.